Can't wake up and sweat, cause it ain't over yet. Still dancing with your demons, victim of your own creation. Beyond the will to fight, where all that's wrong is right, where hate don't need a reason, all that self-assassination. You've been lied to just to rid you of your side, and now they have the nerve to tell you how to feel. So sedated as they medicate your brain, and while you slowly go insane, they tell you give in with the best intentions, help you with your complications. You should have known the price of evil, and it hurts to know that you belong here. No one to call, everybody to feel. Your tragic fate is looking so clear. Ooh, it's your fucking nightmare. Is what we desire. Lost, hit the wall, watch you crawl, such a replaceable liar. And I know you hear their voices, and I know they may seem real, but our lives made up of choices. Tragic fate is looking so clear. It's your fucking nightmare.